Could you introduce yourself?
My name is Edmund Reid. I'm the Quality, Health, Safety and Environmental Manager at Firth Steels Ltd.
Can you tell us what industry Firth Steel's in?
We manufacture a range of cold-rolled roof and wall deck products, as well as roof and wall profiles and flat sheet products. Our world-class steel profiles and our unique Protex built-up system are all made at our factory in Brickhouse, West Yorkshire. We currently have 55 employees on our 6.5-acre site with 3 internal loading bays.
I've known of ASAFE for a while. I've also seen their products in various facilities around West Yorkshire. I am glad that they've got these products on board, to be fair, because they are good.
What ASAFE products have been installed at your facility?
We selected a range of different products to give the most appropriate protection in each area. This depends on if pedestrians are present, the vehicle movements and lifting operations. In June 2022, Lee Dunn, the Business Development Manager at ASAFE, first came to visit us to assess our requirements. After showing Lee around our site and looking at the different issues we have in each of the areas, we selected a range of different products appropriate to the hazards and risks in those areas. The products we have installed across the site include traffic barriers, pedestrian gates and step guards. The step guards were chosen in specific areas to prevent our tipping skips from encroaching onto pedestrian walkways.
How important is it to you that workplace safety is standardised, compliant to PAS 13 and Tough Nod?
Knowing that the ASAFE products have this compliance is important because it gives us peace of mind and confidence that it's going to perform as expected in the real world.
What solution was ASAFE replacing?
There were no existing physical systems in place to separate pedestrians and vehicles. Thankfully, we've not had any accidents involving vehicles and pedestrians. We train our employees well, we manage contractors and visitors to ensure we reduce the risk as much as possible. However, when we did evaluate the risk, we decided that we wanted additional physical controls as well as the administrative ones.
Why was ASAFE selected?
ASAFE are a well-known local business and we're familiar with the products, and so we wanted to invite them to see what they could do to improve our premises.
When we have coils delivered, the lorries or articulated lorries reverse into the site, back of Unit 2 and into Unit 3. Up until we had the barriers installed, there was just safe access lines on the floor, nothing to stop the lads from wandering in behind the wagons. So basically, when we've now had these barriers installed, it keeps the walkways between the machines and the loading areas protected and separated, so they cannot go into that area now. That for me is a big thing. Although you were aware that the wagons were backing in because we've got banksmen, but it also helps any lads wandering around from going into these access points.
Lee took the time to understand our needs and to recommend solutions to the problems that we had. Moving on to the installation, that was very fast and efficient. Teams are very professional. It didn't impact on our operations and they fitted around what we needed.
We've got side loaders, we've got articulated lorries, we've got forklift trucks, we've got delivery vans. You know, this is an extremely busy yard. So any health and safety or any help we can give to not just us but people that are visiting site, any extra protection, then these have worked brilliantly, they're ideal.
It's had a positive effect on staff morale. They understand where they're supposed to be, where they can and can't be, and allows us to provide a safe environment for our employees.